Welcome to EPG Pathshala. Today we will discuss Hindustani music, its salient features under Indian culture, Indian aesthetics and fine arts. Indian music has two streams of classical music. One is Hindustani music and the other is Carnatic music. As the name suggests, Hindustani music is found in northern India that comprises Maharashtra to northeast and Jammu Kashmir to Madhya Pradesh, and the other is Carnatic music. Today we will discuss Hindustani music and its salient features. Salient features of Hindustani music are sound, naad, shruti, swar, saptak, rag, lay, musical forms, musical concerts. First of all, we will discuss naad. In musical term, naad is also called sound. Sound is of two types, musical and non-musical. All struck sound which is musical and pleasing to the ears. Struck sound which is musical and pleasing to the ears is called naad. It has three special features known as pitch, timbre and magnitude. Naad is of two types, namely ahat naad and anahat naad, that is struck sound and unstruck sound. The former being an object of sense perception and the latter a matter of mystic experience. Ahat naad or struck sounds can be termed as musical sound. This is produced by the collision of two objects, thus creating a vibration. All the worldly sounds perceived by the human ear belong to this category. Shruti. The word Shruti is derived from the Sanskrit word Shru, which means that which can be heard. These Shrutis or intervals convey a distinct and definite expression to the listener. Only 22 Shrutis were accepted in music. These Shrutis can be distinguished accurately and clearly from one another in different melodic figures in vocal music or in instrumental music. Each Shruti has a name depicting its character. According to ancient scholars, our notes in a saptak are of three types. Sama pa are chatushrutik, engaging four Shrutis. Redha are trishrutik, engaging three Shrutis. Ga ni are dvishrutik, engaging two Shrutis. Swar. Swar is a Sanskrit word which means a note of an octave. Out of the 22 Shrutis, 7 have been selected and placed at varied intervals in an octave. These 7 Shrutis are called Swar. Names of the 7 Shrutis are Sharj, Rishabh, Gandhar, Madhyam, Pancham, Dhaivat and Nishad. Notes are of two types, movable or Vikrit and immovable or Shuddha. Shuddha swaras sa and pa are immovable or static notes, also called achar swaras. Vikrit swaras are re, ga, dha, ni and ma. These are movable notes. Listen to the live demonstration of swaras.
Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa.
Music to Vikrit swaras.
Sa, re, re, sa, re, ga, ga, sa, re, ga, ma, ma, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, dha, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, ni, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, सा.
Saptak. When a set of 7 notes are sung or played in an order, it is called a saptak. For example, sa re ga ma pa da ni sung or played in this order is a saptak. The division of saptak is based on the normal and natural range of human voice. Music develops mainly within 3 saptaks: low or mandra, middle or madhya, tar or high while singing or playing. There are no symbols for the middle saptak notes, that is madhya saptak, in the notation system. They are simply written as sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni. Lower saptak notes, mandra saptak, are indicated by a small dot underneath the note. Lower saptak notes are indicated by a small dot underneath the note. For example, sa with a note with a dot underneath, while the notes of the higher saptak can be recognized by a dot on top of the note. Now you will listen to a live demonstration of saptaks. The central theme of classical music is raga. Scholars have defined raga as a special melody embellished with different notes that has the characteristic capability to charm and delight listener. Rags are also bound by a set of rules that is also called lakshanas, that is Audav. Audav ragas have 5 notes in both Aro and Avro. For example, Bhupali. Shadav ragas have 6 notes in Aro and Avro. Example, Jaunpuri. Sampurna ragas have 7 notes in both Aro and Avro. For example, Bhairav. All ragas have 4 kinds of notes. The predominant note in a raga is called Vadi. The second frequently used swara in a raga is Samvadi. Notes other than Vadi and Samvadi in a raga are called Anuvadi. A note not used in a raga is Vivadi. Some names of popular ragas are Yaman, Bhupali, Kafi, Alaya Bilawal, Bihag, Khamaj, etc. Time theory and the ragas. Music is closely related to the emotional aspect of life. Ragas evoke certain kind of moods depending on the particular time of the day and night. Each quarter of the day is connected to a certain emotion. This is the reason why they are sung or played at a particular time. When sung or played at a specific time allotted to them, ragas can develop more naturally and the mood of the raga can be expressed more impressively. There are certain features of ragas which limit them to a certain time. Ragas which have their Vadiswar in the lower tetrachord or Purvang are called the Purvang Vadi ragas. These ragas are played between midday and midnight. Ragas which have their Vadiswar in the upper tetrachord or Uttarang are called Uttarang Vadi ragas. The time of singing or playing are between midnight and midday. There is a chart you can see on the screen. That or scale. A set of 7 swaras, a set of 7 notes which can produce a rag is called that. In North Indian system of music, 10 scales have been accepted which can produce many ragas. These scales have certain rules to follow. These 10 scales are Bilawal, Kalyan, Khamaj, Kafi, Bhairav, Marwa, Purvi, Asavari, Todi and Bhairavi. Please listen to the live demonstration of these thats. First, Bilawal.
Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa.
ठाट कल्याण,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट खमाज,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट काफी,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट भैरव,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट मारवा,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट पूर्वी,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट आसावरी,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट तोड़ी,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ठाट भैरवी,
सा रे गा मा पा धा नी सा
ताल, लय और टेम्पो, विलंबित और स्लो, मध्य और मीडियम, द्रुत और फास्ट. Demonstration of लय, विलंबित that is slow, madhya that is medium, and fast that is drut. Tal. Tal is the measurement of time in singing, playing and dancing. Matra. The smallest time unit is called a matra or a beat. Tals are formed with matras. Avartan. A complete cycle of a tal is called avartan. Bol. Words of a composition in vocal and syllabic names used for the different strokes of tabla or pakhavaj are called bols. They are also called patakshar or mnemonics. Vibhag. Each section of a tal is called vibhag. Theka. When a tal is played on the rhythm instrument without variation is called theka. Sam. The first beat of a tal is called sam. Khali. Khali means empty or blank. Tali, a clap of the hands on the strong matra of a sum or the first matra of subsequent vibhags except Khali is called Tali. The demonstration of Theka of Teen Tal with Tali and Khali.
Dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, dhin, dhin, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, dhin, dhin, dha, dha.
Musical forms, composition or styles. Composition styles are of two kinds, Anibaddha and Nibaddha. Anibaddha comprises alap, that is Anibaddha lap and Nibaddha lap, whereas Nibaddha style are Dhrupad, Dhamar, Khayal, Tappa, Tarana, Thumri, Dadra, Masjid Khanigat, Raza Khanigat, etc. Listen to the live demonstration of Masjid Khanigat. listen to the live demonstration of Raza Khanigat. Listen to a live demonstration of Khayal, that is a composition.
ah
Music concerts or presentation. An artist performing in a concert follows a structure in his or her performance. She starts with Anibadh Alaps followed by the composition which is set to a certain tala. In continuation with this, the artist sings or plays Nibadh Alaps and tans which are also bound by tal. To enhance the beauty of the composition, the performer uses various embellishments like gamak, khatka, murki, meet and jamjama. Hindustani music concerts are of different types like vocal, instrumental, jugalbandi, fusion and so on. Vocal and instrumental concerts can be performed by a single artist or sometimes by two or more people. Jugalbandi concerts are those where two artists perform on two systems like the Carnatic music and Hindustani music on the same stage. For example, one artist might play a South Indian piece in one raga and the other artist might play a parallel Hindustani piece in an equivalent raga. This is applicable for vocal and instrumental. Fusion concerts involve music systems of different cultures from different countries. In this module, we have learnt about Naad, Shruti, Swar, Saptak, Tal, compositions and concerts. We have also listened to some live demonstrations. In next module, we will learn about the musical instruments of Hindustani music. Thank you.